The subject of this video is an overview of Viva Engage, also known as Yammer. Yammer was an acquisition from Microsoft about 10 years ago. Yammer is essentially a Facebook for corporate environments. So here you have a home page, so things going on in the communities you subscribe to would be posted here. You have the communities that are available, you can browse. Storylines, quick stories you can post. Maybe about your holidays, you can tell coworkers about what you're doing, what you're working on. You have favorites. If you click on a community and favorite it, it displays. So let's click on a community. So the display is very much like a Facebook. You have the channel, or the community, conversations, about, files, events. So you can post a conversation, you can post a video, share a document. So just enter some quick text. And I have Grammarly checking up on me. And then click post. So you can like, you can comment, you can share. And if you click the ellipses, you can see that you can do a variety of things. You can even report the conversation. That's a feature we enabled in a prior video. Over to the right, we have members. You can add someone if you're an owner. You've got information. You can update it if you're an owner. Pinned. And other information, community resources. Hope you found it useful. Please click subscribe. Thanks.